So they added fireworks in the new summer update because these up here, these are going to be firework, like the things that they shoot from. And so I'm assuming on the 4th of July, these are all going to shoot up and yeah, make fireworks. Same as in city around the rocket. Right here, there's a ton of them out there. So I'm assuming that when it's the 4th of July, all of those are going to shoot off into fireworks, right? I mean, what else could they be? So yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, for more Gorilla Tag content. Goodbye.